Congress Legislative Party CLP leader Okram Ibobi has strongly criticized both the central and state governments, accusing them of failing to safeguard public lives and properties. Speaking at a press meet convened at Congress Bhavan, BT Road today, Ibobi asserted that the authorities have faltered in fulfilling their responsibilities. In addition, he highlighted the prolonged crisis that has plagued the public for a year, emphasizing the significant suffering endured by citizens. He underscored the urgency for action, suggesting that it is not a time for state leaders to engage in confrontations, but rather to fulfill their duties promptly. Ibobi dismissed claims made by some state leaders suggesting that the Congress party had agreed with certain communities or organizations during the recent Lok Sabha elections to provide separate administration, deeming such assertion baseless. He further stated that if they want to speak, it is better to speak with proof. He urged them to stop the habit of blaming the Congress party instead of focusing on their own duties. Moreover, Ibobi criticized the handling of the violence in Ziribam, suggesting that instead of evacuating people, the priority should be to protect them. He attributed the ambush on the advanced security escort team of the Chief Minister to the lack of caution and flaws within the government. MPCC President K. Meghachandra, Deputy CLP K. Ranjit, Treasurer of MPCC and MLA of Kundrakpam Assembly Constituency, T.H. Lokeshwar, along with former ministers and MLAs, attended the press meet.
Leipak ama ngakpa targati adugi lusingba ma woiba targati masagi mathau law and order kamai to ngakani Manipur shanti kamai na hanjal halakani kamai na leimina ba koi punamak singse nungsina na sanana leiminaga de ge haibagi wakhandi khandra haklega ama mungang haklega ama mungang leiriba punamak infrastructure khangde ama khangde all institution mayam jingje education gi woiro up to university bhava medical institution or whatever infrastructure sida laiba mayam punamakse Indian National Congress na Bharat Swaraj hek phangbadagi Congress na sembat sagakam bhaktane adudi haidradana ba masagi sason tawdi ngamdraga madugi daita moral responsibility dudi lawdragna Congress na handaki election duda yamna dirty politics tawrna yamna nemba thakta ranti tawraga Arai Buwara Basibo Manipur Kaigada Bawase separate administration Pibagi Sukti agreement Yanarame Haibase Subuma Daita Labor Laipa Amagi Chief Minister Amana without any basis, without any document Yamana Hector Nangani Haibase Yamna Toyero